my YouTube channel RF Ride. Introducing the 2025 Case IH Quadtrac 715, the most powerful Steiger tractor to date. This machine is designed to enhance productivity and efficiency for large-scale farming operations. At its core, the Quadtrac 715 boasts a formidable 715 horsepower, with a peak output of 778 horsepower. This immense power is generated by an FPT Cursor 16 twin-stage turbo engine, delivering maximum torque of 3,356 Nm at 1,400 revolutions per minute. Such robust performance ensures that even the most demanding agricultural tasks are handled with ease. The Quadtrac 715 is equipped with a 16-speed PowerDrive PowerShift transmission, which minimizes torque loss and provides smooth, reliable operation. This transmission allows operators to move implements through the field more quickly, enhancing overall productivity. The tractor's design includes 4 individually driven, positive drive oscillating tracks. These tracks maintain constant ground contact, offering superior flotation and optimal traction. This design not only improves ride quality but also reduces soil compaction, promoting better soil health and crop yields. Operator comfort and convenience are prioritized in the Quadtrac 715. The cab features a multi-controller mounted right-hand power shuttle switch for easy control of driving direction, complemented by a left-hand steering column mounted shuttle. This ergonomic setup ensures that operators can work longer hours with reduced fatigue. Advanced precision technology is integrated into the tractor, enabling farmers to operate more efficiently. Features such as AccuTurn and AccuSync enhance maneuverability and synchronization of field operations, while the AFS Connect system allows for seamless data transfer and real-time monitoring of machine performance. In terms of pricing, the Case IH Steiger 715 AFS Connect Quadtrac varies based on specifications and optional features. According to Machinery Pete's data, prices range from approximately $599,900 to $794,000. Potential buyers are encouraged to contact their local Case IH dealers for the most current pricing and available configurations. For a closer look at the 2025 Case IH Quadtrac 715 and its impressive capabilities, check out the video linked below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest agricultural machinery and innovations.